If you're a self-employed individual or a landlord, then the way you report your income to HMRC is changing significantly from April next year. Let's find out how it affects you. The key things here is your qualifying income. If your qualifying income is £50,000 or more, as reported on your 2024-2025 tax return, then you will be mandated into Making Tax Digital from April 2026. If your turnover is below 50,000, then you won't be mandated until the following year or possibly later. You will need to report your income and expenses to HMRC by a quarterly update, which must be filed through digital software. Now, if you're not using digital software currently, you can start to look at that ready for April. Or if you're currently using a spreadsheet and you're unable to adapt your accounting processes for any reason, then you can look into bridging software, which will help convert the data in a spreadsheet form into a digital version as required by HMRC. You will still need to complete your annual tax return at the end of the year as normal, and the way you pay your tax isn't changing. You may be able to apply for an exemption, and there are a number of reasons when HMRC will consider this. For example, age, health or a disability which prevents you from accessing a computer or a smartphone which is needed in order to complete digital records. Or religious beliefs which prevent you from engaging in digital communications or keeping digital records. If you are unable to access the internet from home, work or any other suitable alternative location, HMRC may also consider this as a reason for exemption. But there are also a number of reasons that HMRC won't consider for exemption. Some of these reasons may include: I've only got a handful of transactions to account for each year, therefore it's not worthwhile my time keeping digital records. You could say, I'm not familiar with accountancy software. Neither of those will go down well with HMRC. The same with, well, I've always completed a paper tax return in the past. I don't need to complete digital records. Again, HMRC won't give you any leeway on that one. Each application is considered on a case-by-case basis for exemption, but it's important to make sure that you have grounds for exemption before you apply. So to sum up, quarterly updates from April 2026 for those with a qualifying income of £50,000